Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving lots of love. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So, this is your general love reading for February 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope I help you out in some manner. I hope it will resonate with you. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and according to your condition, and leave the rest. Okay, a very happy birthday to all my Aquarius who are having birthday in Feb. Okay, so let me know in the comment section if your birthday is there, so that I can wish you personally. Okay, so if you like my video, please, if you have not subscribed yet, so please like, share, and subscribe, so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. So let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world for February 2021. Please give me the messages which I need to deliver to my lovely Aquarius all over the world. Help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, to deliver all important messages which I need to deliver to my lovely Aquarius. Now let's start your reading. Ace of Swords. Getting your clarity. Clarity is coming towards you. What are the messages? Okay. Three of Swords. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Seven of Swords, Eight of Swords, King of Pentacles. Let me see more. What are the messages? I'm not going to take it. Okay. What is happening? Okay, 1 minute. What are the messages? Hangman. There is someone around you, Aquarius, okay, who put you in a third party situation, who broke your heart. Okay, they were sneaky, okay, manipulative, cheating, lying, who cheat with you, who lied with you, who manipulate with you. But now they are feeling restricted, stuck. They are restricted, stuck. And this is someone who is maybe financially stable, grounded, okay, who know how to manage his finances. They are feeling like an hangman. Okay, this person is someone around, there is someone around you who put you in a third party situation, who broke your heart many times. Okay, now they know that they have manipulated you, they have played the mind games, and now they are feeling restricted, stuck, feeling like an hangman. Again, this has come. Okay, 9 of Cups and 10 of Cups. Beautiful. Any other message? 8 of Pentacles. Any other message? Four of Pentacles. 3 of Wands. You are working on yourself, Aquarius. Working so hard on yourself. You are holding back from this person. You are not opening up, okay? And you are waiting your ships to come. And they, see, Death card and 6 of Cups. This is someone from your past, okay? I told you, this is someone from your past who broke your heart many times, okay? But now they see Sun and the Nine of Pentacles. They see you as someone who is very single, abundant, happy, enjoying their life. Okay, you are starting your, there are new happy beginnings which are coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, so but whatever situation is right now there, that is going to end, because there is a death and rebirth. There is a transformation which is taking place. Okay, there is death and rebirth here. All things are getting end. Okay, and there is a lot of 7, 8 and 9 and 6, and so there is a cycle which is completing right now between you and this person, and this person is from your past. Okay, this 6 of cups is here, and now they're getting the clarity. Usually I do your reading from your point of view, Aquarius. I put you first, but today I'm getting the energy of your person. Okay, they now getting the clarity that they have broke your heart here. They manipulated you and now they are feeling restricted. Okay, they broke your heart. They broke your heart many times. They put you in a third party situation. They manipulate you, they play with you, they play mind games with you basically. Okay, and they were sneaky, cheating, lying behavior, and now they are feeling restricted, stuck. They don't know what to do. They know this, the clarity. There is no confusion. Okay, they know this truth that they have done this thing. Okay, now they are feeling like an hanged man. Why they are feeling like an hanged man? Because you are the wish fulfillment for them. 9 of cups, you are the wish fulfillment for them, or maybe this person is indulged into alcohol. Okay, that can be a possibility. And they see you, maybe you both were having family, because here I'm having 10 of cups. Okay, or they see you as with someone, they see you as someone with whom they can make family too. That can be a possibility for some of you, Aquarius. Okay, they see you as someone with whom they can create this 10 of cups energy, happily ever after, happy family, and they're feeling like an hangman. Okay, but on the other side, you are working on yourself. Can you see? Because you have put a lot of time, effort, energy in this relationship before, but now you are holding back from them. Can you see? 4 of Pentacles, you are holding back from this person, and you are waiting for your ships to come. Here you're waiting your ships to come, but whatever situation was there, that is this stagnation, this cycle is going to end. Here the death card is here. Okay, and this person is from your past. This King of Pentacle is someone from your past. This is also a soulmate card. This can be your soulmate. Okay, so you both know each other. Magician, any other? Any other? They are manifesting you, or you are manifesting something, but someone is manifesting. But what I can see here, that Aquarius, they are manifesting. Here the 6 of cups and the manifestation, the Magician is here. So they are doing manifestation. They are doing they are basically manifesting you. But there is 5 of Swords. There are conflicts around this person. Maybe they are having conflicts right now in their life. Okay, any other message for Aquarius? Wow. Wow. They are having conflicts right now in their life, Aquarius. They are not happy at all. Whatever they have done with you, they're getting back. That's the judgment which is being made by the divine in their life. Here. And they are coming towards you by saying, Page of Cups is here, by saying, hello Aquarius. Maybe there is a small message or sorry or apology, that Aquarius, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I treated you very bad. Because they are having conflicts in their life. There are some conflicts which is happening around themselves. Okay, but they are doing manifestation. Magician is here. They are manifesting you. Magician is here. and what they are coming towards you. Maybe they will come towards you with a small message here. Okay, but beautiful energy around you. They're coming towards you to give you Ace of Cups, and they see you as someone who is an empress. Okay, they will say you that they see you as someone who is an empress, who is very nurturing, caring, motherly figure, and they want to give you equal amount of give and take. And they see you as someone with whom they can be settled. See, I told you, they see you as someone with with whom they can make a family and a happily ever after. And they find you, this is a twin flame card, 1111 card, a soulmate card, a twin flame card, a life partner, soulmate. They see you as someone who is an empress, and they want to offer you beautiful energies. Okay, so whatever stagnation period was there between you and this person, that is going to end, because here I'm having the Death card. Okay, they are manifesting you, Aquarius. This is the judgment which is being made by the divine. Wow, they're keeping an eye on you. Before they were see, this is your divine counterpart. Emperor and the Empress both are here. Because why the divine has to make the judgment for you? Because your defenses were very much high. Okay, your defenses were very much high. You are self guarding yourself, you're protecting your energy. And here, the Temperance, the Emperor, I can show you like this. The Temperance, the Emperor, the Two of Pentacles, and Page of Swords. They were juggling a lot to bring a balance in a situation. They were unable to make a decision between you or any other person, because here I'm having Three of Swords, so there can be a third party situation. But they were trying so hard to bring a balance in a situation. They were keeping an tabs on you. They were keeping an eye on you. Okay, and here they were keeping their temperance too, and here their patience too. Here, can you see how this angel is pouring two cups into each other? Okay, pouring two cups to each other. This is a connection on which the divine is taking care of this relationship. Can you see how there is a divine here, there is an angel here, there is an, so this is lot of angel divine energy around this relationship. They are taking care of this relationship because you are protecting your energy. You are, taking care of yourself. Now the divine is making a judgment on behalf of yourself. And what is the judgment? The judgment is that they are coming towards you with an offer, with a saying that I'm sorry, Aquarius. I see you as someone who is an empress. They want to give you emotional fulfillment here. Ace of Cups is here. They will give you emotional fulfillment. They will treat you equally. Equal amount of give and take is here. And they find you. They know that you are the twin flame, the soulmate for their life. Okay. Now they have the clarity. And because of this clarity, now they are feeling restricted, stuck. They don't know how to approach my Aquarius. They don't know how to. Do not worry. Beautiful energy, beautiful reading. Yeah, there were some conflicts around you, but they are coming towards you to give you, because you are the wish fulfillment for them. Let me see, what are the messages? What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius for February 2021? Please help me out. The Lovers. I told you this is your divine counterpart. This is someone with whom you have spent many past lives. Okay. There were some secrets which was hidden from you. The moon is here. And the other meaning is that you have to use your intuitions, your emotions, Aquarius. Okay, there is a moon here. And the Wheel of Fortune, and there is justice. That's why there is justice and judgment, because Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. There were some things which was hidden from you. Any other message? Justice is being served in your case. Okay. See, I told you the Chariot has come again. You were in this energy of hermit. Okay, you are doing your soul searching, you are working on yourself, you are asking your questions from your soul, that what your soul wants. But now you are moving in a forward direction with this Chariot, Aquarius. Okay, you are moving in a forward direction. You know what is right and what is wrong for you. Beautiful. Either you are going to get married. Hierophant is here. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the Star, the Judgment again. The Judgment, the Star is here, Death card is here. So whatever situation was there, that is going to end, Aquarius. Either you are married to this person already, or you were committed to this person, or you are soon going to get married. If you are not married at all, so you are going to get your marriage proposal from this person, or they are going to give you commitment in your relationship. Okay, they are coming towards you to give you a commitment. Yeah, the Star. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Emperor. See, an Emperor, Death, Tower and Magician. They are manifesting you basically. The Star is here. That is you. So basically they are manifesting you, Aquarius. This is some kind of karmic justice which has been served in your case here, because the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. This is the divine counterpart, the love, the twin flame, the soulmate of your life. Okay, the life partner, soulmate. Because you are doing your inner work, you are working on yourself, you are doing your soul searching. Now you will move in a forward direction. You will be moving in a forward direction. Let's add some activation oracle card. I have already pre-shuffled these decks before doing your reading. Okay, let's see. They see you as someone who is an empress. Okay, what are the messages? Give me one more card. Okay, see, bottom of the deck, I'm having authority. So you are, when you take the authority, the authority of your life, the control of your life, this happen. Universal love and romantic love. Wow. The universal love and romantic love. Lots of love energy for you in today's reading, Aquarius. As I know, this is the Feb month, this is the February month. Okay, this is the love month also. So yeah, this is lot of love energies here. The first message for you is universal love. The frequency of universal love activates the connection we feel to each other, to our planet, and to the whole of existence itself. So universe love is activating for you, Aquarius. Then there is romantic love. The frequency of romantic love supports our journey to feel whole and complete through the experience with and reflection of a conscious lover. So romantic love and universal love both are getting activated for you. Okay, beautiful. I love it. Congratulations, Aquarius. 1 minute. Let's add some messages from the yogic path. Okay, let's add 1 or 2 cards from the yogic path. What are the messages for Aquarius? Santosh. 1 more card for Aquarius. February 2021. Please help me out to deliver the messages. Please give me 1 more card. Too many cards. No. Please give me 1 more. Again, Mooladhara chakra, that is root chakra. Your root chakra is getting activated. Maybe your root chakra is getting healed now. Some of you, Aquarius, may be doing your meditation as you are taking the energy of hermit. Okay, you are doing your soul searching. You are working on yourself. You are doing your inner work. You are balancing. You are doing meditation. So maybe you are working on yourself. and while you do your meditation and chakra balancing, you have healed your root chakra. Okay, this is Mooladhara chakra. You have healed your Mooladhara chakra. That's why you're getting beautiful things in your life, Aquarius. And there is Santosh. Let me read it out from the book. The card for you is Santosh. You are at a place that means contentment, okay? You are feeling contentment basically inside of you. You have a niyam. In Hindi, we used to call it niyam, Santosh, and in English, it is contentment. You are at a place where you can relax, unwind, and be content with where you are. You have done tremendous work to be at this place. Now is the time to let it sink in and enjoy the fruits of your labor. We often spend our whole life striving towards the next goal and skipping over accomplishments for where we are at in the present moment. Take a few moments to close your eyes, place your hands on the heart, and breathe. Take in all that is around you, what you have co created, how far you have come, how blessed you are, the people who you love, that you are safe, loved, and supported by the universe. You will not fall behind by taking a pause and being content with what you have. In fact, this Kapha earthy energy will nourish you throughout your future endeavors. So beautiful energy. As I told you that you are working so hard on yourself. Can you see how this is Eight of Pentacles is there? You are doing your inner work. You are doing your soul searching. Okay, you are doing your meditation, and while you feel contentment inside of you. Okay, now it's time for you to be relaxed because you have come in a long journey here, Aquarius, and congratulations, and I'm very proud of you, Aquarius. Seriously, I'm very proud of you because you have done your healing on your root chakra. Okay, and from some of you, Aquarius, if you have not done yet, you need to heal your root chakra, but most of you, like around 90% Aquarius, your root chakra is now healed. Okay, now it's getting activated, now it's healed, and you have healed not only your root chakra, also your ancestral patterns or karma, whatever you need to heal, you have healed that. So this is the message from this deck, and this is very beautiful message. Let's add one card for the journey within. Okay, this is a new deck which I'm using it. Let's see, one or two cards, one card from one message for Aquarius. Please give me one card for Aquarius. Okay, so the message for you is higher consciousness. Bhakti sages and all others who truly walk a spiritual path advise us to live each day with the highest consciousness as it is our last day. That's right, live your each day thinking that this is our last day. Okay, live with your higher consciousness, live it fullest, Aquarius. That is beautiful message for you, higher consciousness. Okay, beautiful card for you. Okay, so this was your general love reading for Feb 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. So in the extended, I'm going to take these cards in a deeper level so that I can tell you more, okay, about what are these cards and what are these energies. But there is someone around you who is trying to give you beautiful things. Okay, they're coming towards you to give you emotional fulfillment. Okay, so yes, that was your reading. I hope it helped you out in some manner. If you like my video, Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. If you ask me anything, let me know. Okay, sending you lots of love, light and happiness to all my Aquarius. Take care of yourself and see you soon.